कराची से स्टार्ट हुए हैं, सिंध से होते हुए सारा रास्ते में बाई रोड मुल्तान से। अभी सुबह तो मुल्तान से आ रहे हैं। ओके।
और जिन लोगों में सब्ज खून होता है वो बच्चे नहीं हो सकती, इसे यकीन
वाइड हो जाओ, कोई गल नहीं, थोड़ा जा पीछे हो जाओ, कोई गल नहीं, प्लीज पीछे हो जाओ थोड़ा, जगह दो, थोड़े पीछे हो गए, थोड़ा पीछे। ये कौन किसने गोल किसने किया था यार? आप लोग अगर उधर खड़े होंगे ना सारी कैमरे वाले मेहमान का थोड़ा यार थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओ, उसको कवर करने वो लेडीज की तरफ से मैं यही कह रहा हूँ, थोड़ा सा पीछे होकर करें ताकि मैं साइड में खड़ा हूँ, सामने खड़ा हूँ। आप उनको कर लें कंप्लीट, हम आपको तंग नहीं कर रहे, आप हमें ना करें, बस बिल्कुल आसान आ जाए। आप आराम से अपनी कवरेज करें, पर थोड़ा फासला रखें। तेज हो बना यार, थोड़ा सा दूर रहे, दूर। बताओ, अपना बताना भी है। Playing under 18 in Asia.
I was watching. I watched. And what was the final between?
No.
Japan. Yeah. Sabah, well done. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Well played, Shabash. Thank you for playing. It's very hot.
बच्चे भाई देखिए,
I came to, why did I come to Godra with my wife Diane? I play right out. I'm not very good. I'm not a good hockey player, but in my heart, I love hockey. I came to Godra because you have 92 Olympians from Godra. And I thought if I drink the water in Godra, I will become a good player. And I saw your skill outside today, the young men and the girls. And girls playing hockey and boys playing hockey together is very important. In Australia we have girls and men hockey. But also, I'd like to thank the support for your families, especially the girls' families. I'd like to thank Mr. Adnan Bey and, of course, the famous Mr. Tahir, and all the coaches. Because in hockey, it is not just about you, it is about your team and the hockey family. The hockey family in Australia, the hockey family in Pakistan. So, thank you. And please, you're young. I'm old man, but I still play hockey. So inshallah, you will play hockey when you're old as well. Don't stop. Don't stop. I also want to say that hockey is the national sport of Pakistan.
Yes.
Not other sport, hockey is the sport. And in 1994, we saw in Sydney some great players win the World Cup in hockey. We need, and I ask again, the authorities and the government and the sporting boards and the federation, please invest in the hockey of Pakistan, in the players' welfare, in the coaches, because there is much skill, mashallah. Here I saw amazing skill. Across Pakistan there are some fantastic hockey players, but they need investment, they need support. So I call on the government and the authorities, please invest in the future. So today I brought some hockey sticks, a few hockey sticks. And the hockey sticks are for children. Why do we bring hockey sticks for small children? Because the future starts with the kids. It starts with you. So in Australia we have, this is called Hook into Hockey. So every child who comes, they get a hockey stick like this, and they get a shin pad, and they start hockey. So I encourage you to bring your younger brothers, your younger sisters, to start playing hockey. So there you go. And the ball. Thank you. So thank you very much, Shabash, and keep playing. And it's not just about you, it is about your team, it is about the hockey family. So thank you to all the hockey family in Gujarat. It is a real pleasure and an honor, and I want to drink a lot of water so I can become better. Thank you.
ठीक है ना, समझ गया ना, मास्टर समझ गया था। हाँ एक बार निकाल लो, एक बार मैनेज कर लो। गुजरात और जो कि स्पोर्ट्स की मुख्तलिफ गेमों को स्पोर्ट्स की मुख्तलिफ गेमों को
What I saw today in Gujarat from the young women and the young men, amazing skill, amazing talent. So please, this is a national sport. I encourage the government to invest and support the future of hockey.
Can you play your role in bringing hockey back to Gujarat or bringing the level of hockey it was before?
I think this answer lies in Pakistan. We don't need international. You have the skills, you have amazing coaches, you have great teams, and you have the passion. It's here in Pakistan. You don't need any help. You just need investment here, and then you will be number one again in the world. But it has to start in Pakistan. Thank you very much.
गुजारिश है कि जोर से तालियां बजाकर हिज एक्सीलेंसी मिस्टर नील हॉटन मिसेस का शुक्रिया अदा करें प्लीज।
Okay. And then we'll do a big piece together.
They've got a. I don't think it'll stay.
Okay, thank you.
I think they have some hockey sticks to give.
बेटा पीछे चलो
Can we get everyone just to step back?
ਲਾ ਲਾਂਗੇ ਟਿਕਟੋਕ ਤੇ